Welcome guys, CasaOS here with another Kitty Lab. Today I'm going to be creating a home lab with this laptop that I found, and I'm in the BIOS here, so I'm going to select my boot drive, my boot order to the USB drive that I created earlier with Iventoy on it. So I'm just going to select it and press S10 to save settings and reboot the system. So the drive I've got is Ubuntu, so I'm going to install Ubuntu here. Just waiting the system starting up. And we can see here that the system started up into Ubuntu, and I'm going to start the process of preparing the operating system for installation. So what I'm going to do here is install Ubuntu desktop, install openssh-server, and then install CasaOS. Give you a couple of bonus commands for the laptop and file systems, as well as a wee bonus at the end where we can put across the network. So I'm going to choose English here because I speak English, and just click next on the next part, English UK. Just check my keyboard, I'm going to put in the pound sign, make sure it's the right keyboard layout. That's correct. I'm going to connect it to my network. Going to skip that bit and click install button, and I want the interactive, and then I want the default, so I want to install third party drivers and supported additional media formats. Click next and just let it do its thing. Then you get install button alongside the USB drive. You don't want that. You get a manual installation, but I want to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. Just make sure you install the right disk. Select the right disk, sorry. See what's put on the 6TB Western Digital. I want it on the 1TB Western Digital, the internal one. You put your username and password in here, your location, check configuration, click install. This could take a wee while depending on your system you're installing it on. I think mine's an Intel Pentium with 4 cores. So after the installation is done, you open settings and make sure the screen doesn't dim. Set that to never. Everything else is just left at default. But I'm going to show you here a command for this laptop, what's a wee bonus extra. To not switch off when closing the lid. So we're going to reboot the system, and then we'll do the configuration file. There's 3 parts that we need to unhash. So I'm going to open up my terminal here. And open up in nano etc system d/login d.conf. Put your root password in. And you'll see here it's opened up the config file for the laptop display, and we want to unhash, which is a comment basically. We want to unhash handle lid switch and make sure it's able to know. Handle lid switch external power, make sure that's able to know. And the one more is down below. Handle lid switch dot equals ignore. So we want to control 0, press enter, and X to exit. You want to put this command in: system ctl restart system d dot login d, press enter. And that will restart the system. So now get Celtic Lad. It's my username, password. Open my terminal. Shut the lid down. Open it back up. And then we have it. Power lid doesn't shut off the system. So basically you want to install the update now to update the system. Already done it. So your system might take me a while to do this, a minute or so, and the upgrade. Then we want to install openssh-server. CS for additional disk space to be used. And then it will start installing openssh-server. done. 94%. Okay, that's openssh-server installed. So now what we want to do is enable it. Then we want to let it through the firewall. And then we want to turn the firewall off. You always keep your firewall on, but just to let things through now and make it easy for this installation, I'm just turning the firewall off. Then I'm going to reboot the system. So the system's rebooted and I'm going to open up my terminal again. And what we're going to do is we check our interface. We're going to change it to a static IP, so WLP1S0. So the IP address is going to stay the same, but maybe you'll see a different IP address if you're on Wi-Fi. So we're going to open this configuration file and create it in nano. Now, this text must basically be tabbed and spaced correctly, or it won't work when you try to apply it. You keep getting an error. So pay attention to where I've put the values on the text header. So we want network version to render network D. Ethernet looks under the H now. And then you put your interface in. Then the DHCP version 4 : no. for dynamic basically. So we want this address here, which is your interface address, which is going to be your static address. And gateway, no gateway, subnet mask, sorry. Which is 255.255.255.0. Then we want the gateway. Version 4. With the brackets. And then you want the name server, which is going to be your DNS. So the addresses for the name server are bracket 8.8.8.8 .8.8.4.4 bracket. I'm going to save this by pressing Ctrl 0 and pressing enter and Ctrl X to exit. And we want to apply this plan. Just check the interface. Now we want to go ahead and set up CasaOS for installation from the curl. This web page to get the dependencies from. Here we go, it's grabbing CasaOS. So go away and get all the dependencies for CasaOS. Might take a wee while to install this, couple of minutes. So it's getting the net tools. You devil. Samba. As I say, it's on with a big long list. Might take a couple of minutes to install this. I know this looks daunting, but it's actually pretty easy once you know what commands to put in. It just takes its time. So it's installing surf utils now. Also, I'll leave a link, or in the comments, I'll leave in the description commands to put in. So it's also installing merge RFS dependencies. Now it's installing dependencies Docker. Just like Samba Docker will take a wee while to install as well. So we can Docker versions 28 at the time of this installation. Configuring CasaOS add-ons. just tell the updates to remind me later because I want to interrupt the dependency installation. If you get that message. This is CasaOS finishing up lots of dependencies. A few more bits to go. Install a few more bits. RC Arcline. There's our IP address that we need in our interface. Remember that IP address there. This one right here. Make sure you take a note of that. Just go install H-top here. Tells you about your system. And then we're going to reboot. As usual, I always put restart instead of reboot. Make sure you turn on your IP address when you open the web browser. Type it into the web browser. maybe put the port in, and then you have it CasaOS. So you might hit go and put your username and password, create one for CasaOS. Just cancel it at that. And what I might do is duplicate the drives. Oh, I actually create a storage pool here, but it's not going to let me. So what I have to do is merge them, but it won't let me merge it because it's not formatted. So you need to quickly format the external drive, not the internal one, the external one. To a Linux file system, and then we'll be able to merge it. Still formatting the drive. This drive format. So now we can merge it. Now let's select it and submit. So now we've got 6 terabytes, 7 terabytes. I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to share it. I'm going to call it movies. Music. And TV shows. So this is going to store my media. So basically what I own File Explorer, right? Go to this PC and add a network location. Put the path in that we copied with the IP address. And we're going to get an error. To overcome this error, we want to hit Windows R, gpedit.msc, click OK, and go to Administrative Templates, go to Network, Layman Workstation, and enable insecure guest login. If it's not configured, enable it. Click Apply and OK. And then we'll get the share. So we copy that, paste it in, and then we're accessing the file. So I'm just going to copy over a file in there. play it in a minute once the file's transferred over, just to show that it does work. Copy the path. Just didn't finish applying it, so we just need to apply it, rename it, don't open it, click finish, and then you see it populate under this PC, and it'll be in the network locations as well. So you can drag and drop your computer into that. And the file should be just about finished. So there's a file there, just about finished, and I'll play on it. See it playing no bother with that network location. You see that fireplace, no bother. We've got a shared drive. So you don't need the file explorer anymore. So we've got the added bonus here. We're going to install an operating system across the network. So I'm going to show you how to do this with Iventoy. Going to put this command in, and let it do its thing. So we press ls. That's the SSH, not the server here. You see the tar.gz file here in red. We want to unpack that with tar. I'm just checking my notes here, and we're going to make sure we're doing this right. We've done, we've loaded it in, we've unpacked it. Now we're going to hit ls, and we'll see that we've got a directory Iventoy -1.0.20. You can see it here in blue. So we want to change into that directory. and then we want to start that up basically. So it's sudo./iventoy.sh start, and you either go to 127.0.0.1 port 2600, and it could be your server IP address as well. So I would really try your server IP address because that address didn't work for me with that port. Bookmark that basically. So we've got the addresses from .100 to .119. This is where the ISO files will go. We need to move them across the network. So basically, instead of using the command line, we're going to use openssh-server and remote in. Move them that way. So on the left is all my machine where all my ISO files are in a folder. And I'm going to open the remote tab and log in. Let's just find the right folder first. Should be an Iventoy and under ISOs where we want to put them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer them across the network onto the system. So it's in Iventoy and there's the ISO files folder there. So we're going to take a Linux distro, Linux Mint, a WinPE distro, Hiron's bit, and we're going to take a Windows system as well. And once there across the network, I'll show you in the command line and I'll show you on the browser where it's located. So you just transfer them over. Take a wee bit of time, but we'll go over. So we'll end up here. And you always make sure that in configuration that this is started when you start to put up a system. And you can see it's transferred over. We have our 3 ISOs here in the image management system. Bit of information, we'll start Iventoy. Can minimize this and press LS. And you can see we've got the ISO data, so I get the ISO folder. So we'll change the directory and the ISO folder, and I'll show you by pressing LS the ISO images. So I go back to where we were by pressing CD space ... Pressing, and now we'll start the system. So virtual machine, so I've created that virtual machine, gave it enough RAM, processors, hard drive, make sure the network is on bridge. Just boot it up. Don't touch anything, just let it do its thing. You might get a message here saying iPixie, no Iventoy, but file name offered, but just let it run, don't press it, and it will put in the Iventoy. Here we go, the Iventoy, and we see we've got our 3 ISO files here that we can boot from. So I'm going to choose Linux Mint. And it's start to install. This is going to be into a pre-installation environment because you need to run the actual image from inside the installation. That's how you boot across the network, basically, using Iventoy. So you have, we've got Linux Mint, and we've got the pre-installation environment with the actual installation disk. You can work about it before you install it, which is pretty cool. So it's best to shut everything down, basically here. Well, a big shout out goes to Brytech09 for basically showing how to do this and giving me a lot of the commands, and also Wells21 for all the investigation work he'd done for CasaOS and helping me with DaVinci Resolve as well, how I recorded this video. So go over to their channels, I'll leave a hash in the description, go check them out, great guys. Much appreciated, lads. Cheers. So we're just stopping Iventoy here, and thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe.